Welcome back. Now for part 3, bitch.
File.
Yeah, we're doing Knuckles' story. By far my favorite one, and to me, the easiest.
Select your character.
One, because it's
Okay,
just
let's
find
go.
3 emeralds in a level. That's all you gotta do. Oh, look, a cutscene. I better shut the fuck up. Hurry the fuck up! Get to the island!
As far back as I can remember, I've been living here on this dark island, always guarding the Master Emerald from anything that could harm it.
That's a shit life.
I don't know why I was given this job,
You weren't?
why it was my fate, destined to be here forever.
You could just throw the Master Emerald into like an ocean. Then it's like protected forever, right?
What the?
That was convincing. Oh god, they ruined my boy. Like, watch this. Knuckles is gonna try and fight Chaos and get his shit kicked in. Like a bitch!
What's going on here? Oh no! Something's happened to the Master Emerald!
Nah dip, Sherlock.
Who are you?
Fucking
Did
idiot.
you do this? Oh, I'll get you for this!
I saw that fucking angle. Yeah, boom!
Oh!
See, they fucked my boy.
Hey, no fair!
Turn into liquid.
Wait,
Gone. He just disappeared. Where'd he go? What?
what's happening to you? Come back here!
It already happened.
Whoa, that was incredible. I've never seen anything like it.
Yeah, you did. Shut up.
Oh no, it's starting to happen. Without the Master Emerald's power, this whole island will fall into the ocean.
Okay, but why? You know what? Never mind. I know why. But why did... who broke the Master Emerald? I mean, it's implied that Eggman did it, but why? Instead of just stealing it again. I mean, I guess he must have known that Chaos was inside the Master Emerald at the time. Oh, look, gameplay.
It's up to me to find the missing pieces of the Master Emerald. It won't be easy. Pieces flew off everywhere.
Pieces flew off.
Guess I better start looking anywhere I can.
Yeah, I know exactly where we're going. Anyway, no fucking around. Let's play the game. That's the casino. Where the hell am I going? This way. Back to Station Square. Took a wrong turn. You know when you take a wrong turn when you're looking for pieces of a fucking mystical mineral? Happens to me every time, man. Boom. Here we go. Let me in! I was told to talk more. So I'm talking more. Any fucking way. Soundtrack is just the best. I know I've said that in all 3 videos, but I had to say it again. Ba, ba, ba. But why did they, the Master Emerald shards last? Why do they just fall in these random spots? Makes no sense to me. Also, when the hell did you ever have to go find these? Oh, I got one. I got 2. I'm rich. I swear to God, that'll be the only time I actually use that attack. Saw it. I was out the corner of my eye.
Unlike most gamers, I use all 500% of my battery.
Na, 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 na. Got it. Only a minute in. Get out of here. You're dog water, kid. You're gumpled dumpled. I like using random words. It funny. Wait. No. This way. Take a right. Life. Oh, there it is. It was just taking a nice stroll.
Found it.
Why was that one on the sidewalk? That one had a life.
Good enough.
Good enough. Enough said. Knuckles 2025. Damn, it's already dark. I was only in that city for like a minute. Anyway, well, you know what that means. That is dark. Gambling! I don't know. Can I reference other videos? Yeah, fuck it.
No trains
Meme.
are currently in service.
I don't know why. I don't know why I couldn't think of one. Anyway, time to go gambling! We're in this fucking world. Time to go look for emerald shards. Oh look, I already found it. Oh! You fucking stupid bitch. It's that one. Yes! I got it. I know where the next one is. Trust me. I know what I'm doing. Where the fuck am I? I'm not gonna stop swearing until I can make some money. Or until I run out of ideas. Pick or choose. Into the hole. There it is. Give it to me! I cannot remember, like, a Sonic game that does not have a casino level. Other than Sonic 1. That could be, like, really wrong. I mean, I feel like I am. There's gotta be, like, a bunch more, right? It's down here somewhere. It is... Damn, where is it? It's in the showers, isn't it? Why do I have the distinct feeling it's in the shower? Yup, it's in the showers. You know, say what you will about this game, but this camera sucks dick. What are we doing?
Found it.
See? Minute 30.
Good enough.
Good enough, my ass. I'm doing great! Light. It's God. Religion in my game? No thank you.
Where in the world am I?
Africa. Hey, I was right.
I don't remember being here
Hear the
before.
tribal music?
But something about it is familiar.
Knuckles is African? Confirmed?
This is very strange.
I'll stop making racist jokes when you subscribe. Now, if that's not a goddamn pitch, I don't know what is. Second tower.
Father, please don't!
Don't
Don't
sacrifice me!
Essential to our survival. It is for the good of all our people.
How can I make you understand? Attacking other countries.
I'm not a virgin!
And killing.
Oh wait, we're not in
Can't be the
Africa.
right path to
We're in
peace.
America.
No one has the right to take their holy grounds. I beg you, Father.
And whiteout. Ugh, I woke up on the outside of the casino.
Huh? Now where am I?
Me waking up outside the casino after getting drunk and losing all my
Back
money.
in Station Square, I see. What's going on here anyway?
You were drugged. That waitress did not want to fuck you, bro. Anyway. Oh, look, tweakers. Anyway,
No trains are
fuck.
currently in service.
Oh, I know where we're going. In here. Dr. Eggman!
Hey, it's Dr. Eggman. What's he got there?
Bro misses his wife.
It's gotta be a part of the Master Emerald. Hold on! Come back here!
Hey, come back here! Stops immediately in front of the elevator. You only get to access this room like once.
Eggman, give me back the Master Emerald.
No,
Just the whole emerald, not like a shard, just the
this
whole ass
isn't
emerald.
what you're after.
Come, emerald.
You're right.
That's okay, though. I can use you as a guinea pig to test it. Chaos! Chaos!
Chaos?
Devil?
It's that creature again. The
the
same
gamer.
one I saw on my island. He was there when the Master Emerald shattered. I'm sure of it. He saved me the trouble of looking for him. Now I'll get him good.
Who chose these forms?
Way to go, Chaos!
Ha! Changing shape won't scare me.
Nah.
Fine, give it your best shot.
Scrap! Bro's brain is pulsating. I'm gonna hit you so hard, you're gonna go back to the Dark Ages. And by Dark Ages, I mean I'm gonna make you watch Skibbity Toilet. I'm bringing it back. I am such a child. Can I make it in 30 seconds? I'm so back. I'm so back.
Is that all you got?
Da, 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 da. Good enough. Get fucked, Chaos.
Bah, so what if you won this time? You have yet to see the true powers of Chaos.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Why are his feet
That
in the ground?
Still doesn't faze me. You hear?
I know something that might.
Why does he have bolts
It's
in his
about
shoes?
Sonic.
What? What about Sonic?
He's after the pieces of the Master Emerald too.
Alright, one. Why
What
the
do you
fuck
mean?
would Knuckles listen to Eggman after last time?
You're not the only one on a wild goose chase, idiot. Why should I ruin your surprise?
Ba, 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 ba. But why would Knuckles believe him? That's what I want to know. Bro is dumber than a brick. Bro is worse
I
than
wonder what he
fucking
meant by
Boom
that.
Knuckles.
I'd better find Sonic.
Yeah. So I can shove my fist up his... See, it was a transition.
I wonder why Sonic is after the Master Emerald.
He's not!
I'd better work fast and get to the bottom of this.
God damn it. Now here's the thing. Did Boom Knuckles ever fall for one of Eggman's tricks? Possibly. Actually, I haven't seen Boom in a while. Hey, look! Shovel Claw.
You've got the shovel claw. Now you can dig through dirt and stone. Press the jump and action buttons simultaneously.
I can't think of any jokes. Other than metal dildos. But I don't think I'll fly. I'm gonna see how fast this... That's never happened. Anyway, I'm gonna see how fast I can get this episode demonetized. I think it'll be funny. But I'm not exactly making money off this, so I don't think it matters. I think it'll just get age restricted. No one will see it. Or maybe people will steal. Step! I'm gonna shut up for small, brief periods of time after I stutter. Let you laugh a little. Shit. For some reason, he goes so goddamn fast when he's holding an object. Ooh. Red Mountain. Action stage. I love the use of trumpet. Yoink. Whee! Damn, already? You have it. I don't know where I'm going. Is it over here? Yes. Monkey! Yeah! Ba, ba, ba. I like this stage. It's actually really cool. Especially just for Knuckles though. For Sonic, this is kind of tedious to keep playing. You know what? No, this level isn't tedious to play as Sonic. It's Sky Chase. Well, I was just there. What the fuck? Oh, there it is. Can I get it for a minute? Get it. Yeah!
Found it.
Oh my god.
Good enough.
Good enough. I'm speed running. Except I'm not speed running. I'm doing the opposite of speed running. I am playing the game at a normal pace. Except I'm doing it fast. So it seems like speed running. I'm not gonna shut up for a while. So you better lock in. Or buckle in. I don't care. I can't wait to be told to shut the
The
fuck up in
train
the
headed
comments.
for Station Square will be departing soon.
Oh, hey, look, it's the guy.
There's Sonic. Eggman was right.
I fucking
What's that
love
in
this
his
guy's
hand?
theme music.
It looks like a piece of the Master Emerald. He has no right to have that.
You can't see it, but I'm vibing in my chair right now.
Hey, Knuckles! Whoa! What do you think you're doing?
All right. Put him up. Hand
Put 'em
over
up.
the emerald now.
That's not gonna happen, buddy!
Buddy old pal.
Oh no! Oh no!
Fist.
I've had
Get ready.
enough.
Oh yeah. Ah, I was trying to think of a one-liner. Oh, get fisted. Ow. Get fisted.
Oh, no.
Get fucked.
Oh jeez! Oh no, the Chaos Emerald!
The weed. Yeah, I wonder why we changed it from lime green to dark green. Or was it dark? What color is the green emerald?
Eggman. What's he doing here?
What do you think?
Uh-oh.
That's all there is to it. You guys are too easy.
He's right. He's incredibly right.
That's a Chaos Emerald.
First come, first serve, they say. And you serve me too well for your own good.
Yeah.
You can't get away with this! Knuckles, did you let him trick you again?
Like you weren't.
Smooth move, Knucklehead.
Why did he say it like he got in trouble? Like he was like a 6-year-old.
I've got 4 emeralds now. Here, Chaos.
Bro's calling a fucking pet.
Come here, my hungry pet.
Oh, hey, I called it. I'm still baffled why he turns into a fish.
No problem. I'll make him eat dirt.
And I'm still wondering why certain characters fight certain bosses, even though in a different story, that character never fought that boss. Like Chaos 4. Sonic, Tails, and Knuckles fight him. But it's not 3 fights, it's the same fight. Blinky donkey. I love just gliding and spinning the control stick. It is pretty funny to watch. Something to do while this guy is doing his thing. Ooh, bonk. I'm gonna save that one-liner for the end. I got a pretty good one. Anyway, what was I saying? Bonk. But what are the glowing orbs for? I don't understand. I mean, I get they're for the Chaos Emeralds, but shut up. Like, why are they there? Doesn't make any sense. Ugh. I'm locked in right now. I shouldn't be, because this is not hard. Oh, hey, fuck you, bitch. I'm gonna. Come on, do the thing so I can say my one-liner. Fuck you, bitch. I'm gonna push your soft spot in.
Is that all you got?
Get absolutely hammered. Oh look, the egg carrier for the 3rd time. It is a good cinematic though. Props to the guy who made it.
Behold my flying fortress, my creation, the egg carrier.
He only rolls his R's.
Chaos's
Then.
true power is yet to be unleashed. We shall meet again.
Tractor beam as fuck.
Hurry, Sonic! What are we waiting for? My workshop's closed, so let's get the tornado and go after him.
Yes, the plane
Good idea.
that he shot down.
Hey, Sonic,
Well, not yet. But
you go on ahead without me. I have some things I need to take care of.
it's called
No problem, Knuckles. We'll take care of everything here.
It's called a reference.
Let's move.
Anyway, that's done. You know what time it is? You thought I forgot, didn't you? This one's for the homies. Oh, there's smoke coming out of it. Jesus. Cheers. I don't know, rip headphone users? I don't care. Where am I going? Is the card open? Yay. Let's go find the emeralds. Alright, so I'm gonna come back for that, but I need to go get something. Now, these things will be absolutely useless, but the color is absolutely hilarious. If you like fart jokes or toilet humor, which myself being a very big fan, should be just over here on this ledge. Right here. Piss. Piss gloves.
Now you've got fighting gloves.
Piss.
To store up power, hold down the action button. Now you can do the maximum heat knuckles attack.
Maximum meat knuckles attack. Oh, it says heat, not meat. I don't know anyone who actually uses the maximum heat knuckles attack. You know anyone? Put them down in the comments. And then I will give you a personal ha nerd in the to a reply. I don't know. It feels stupid. It like feels really stupid actually. Why did that happen? You know what? Doesn't matter. I think it's because of the statue. Place. Delicious. And something I forgot to do in the last episode was a question of the day. That's right, children. I'm gonna give you your own question of the day. Dang, look at that silver key. Anyway, question of the day. What did you have for dinner? And if you don't want to tell me what you had for dinner, tell me your favorite American Dad clip. Just any of them. That's all I got. You know what? Here's something funny for you guys to do. Put it down in the comments. What would you want out of a question of the day? And it may get featured in the next episode. Probably not, because I'll probably forget. But hey, I can hope. Fucking lizard. You fucking lizard prick. Sorry. Damn, the stage is loud. Probably gonna shut the fuck up at some point. I gotta lock in. Wait, I saw something. Aww. I'm terrified. Wait, shit, that's copyright. Fuck. Nah, I don't make any money anyway. Where's this goddamn emerald? Peace. Okay, fuck me, apparently. Going this way. It's this way. That wasn't it. Yeah! Alright, cool. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. Doors. Cool? Anyway. Don't tell me it was just in this fucking box. It was! God damn it! One more to go! Shut the fuck up. Sorry. I don't know why I'm getting all angry. Camera, work with me! Where am I? Oh, there I am. I would love to watch a speed run right now. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna use any of the hint bubbles. I've got too much pride in the game for this. Alright, I saw it, dude. There it is. Yahoo!
Found it.
Anyway.
Good enough.
Took me a bit longer, but that's fine. We ball. Oh no. God is back to make me pay for my sins.
Where am I? This is very
You're back in
strange.
Africa. I knew it. Wait, that's an altar. Is this a Jewish state? I better not find anything related to Hanukkah. Alright, look, it's the girl that's gonna
I
be
beg
sacrificed.
of you, hear me now. My father is coming here soon.
To sacrifice
And I
me.
fear what may happen. You must take everyone away from here. Oh, please.
Crazy lady's praying to a rock. Imagine praying to a rock.
Are you saying you can't leave this place? I understand. Let me talk to my father again. There must be a better way to do this. Don't worry, my friends. I won't let you down.
Those are children.
I must do something quickly.
Oh God. Oh, hi, America? Oh fuck.
What? I'm back in front of the altar. This is beginning to blow my mind. Wait a minute, I remember. The broken pieces of the Master Emerald. I have to restore them to where they belong.
I'm gonna make a reference sandwich. Hey, where's the mayonnaise?
It's still incomplete.
Who took a bite out of my
The
emerald?
remaining pieces, wherever they are.
And here's something that will never come back again. The emerald can show us visions.
Hey. Look. It's Eggman's flying fortress. That's where the rest of the pieces must be. But I don't know where that ship is.
Yeah, it's crazy how the Master Emerald can show you where the rest of the pieces are when it's the last level. Oh, it's the homie!
Hey, isn't that one of Eggman's robots?
Yeah?
I know. I'll follow it back to Eggman's base.
I mean, what other robot have you seen here?
Here I come, Eggman.
I wonder why he's stuck with the name Eggman. I mean, he didn't choose it, that's for damn sure. But in the later entries, Eggman just owns it. I mean, if you own it, no one can make fun of you, I guess. I mean, Slay Girl, I guess. The fuck? Like Eggman Land in Sonic Unleashed. I never played Sonic Unleashed, but I know that level. Where the hell am I going? Oh yeah, the forest. A massive building has appeared in the fucking forest. And it just so happens to be linked with Eggman. Sick ass design though. I would love to live in a place like that. For two whole reasons. One, it's obnoxiously funny. You know why it's funny? Look at that fucking thing. Imagine living in there. Imagine having a party in that bitch. Shit, he heard me. Solid snake sound.
Just what I thought. Time to make a house call.
You ain't no doctor. I mean, props to the guy or the team that made these kinds of cutscenes. I guess this is where the fucking budget went. Because the rest of the fucking cutscenes in the game, just the lip syncing is what gets me. The voices, perfect.
Now we'll see who's so easily tricked.
The models look awesome in this
the
version.
emeralds are here somewhere.
The lip syncing is what's fucking me up. That's all. Am I going in here? No.
What's going on?
I don't know. What is going on? This will have no relevance in the near future.
Always changing.
Yeah, its floors made your shoes go in it. Oh, fuck. I love that. I love how you can just climb on the walls.
I sense the
Master Emerald.
It can't be far from here.
Yeah, it's right in here. Whee! Sky deck. Alright. Immediately, what you want to do, turn it straight to the left. Point it towards the Tilted Towers. That's right, I'm making a 9/11 joke. What are you gonna do about it? Not fuck. I promise. What you can do, report me? I've been on this account. I've been on this website for about, I don't know, like 3 days. I mean, me losing a couple videos is not gonna hurt me that much. I save my videos. You know why? Because when you pricks decides to report me. It's over here, isn't it? Yes! Gimme! Got it. Gone. The blue. I don't like what they did in Sonic Adventure 2 with Knuckles' story, or levels. Where the fuck did that come from? Anyway, as I was saying, I don't like what they did. Because you have to find one emerald at a time, and not just all the emeralds as many times as you want. I mean, you can still find the other emeralds, emerald shards, whatever you want to fucking say. But it's... What am I going for here? I'm not sure. I'm also not sure where this fucking emerald is. Emerald shard, whatever. You know what? Fuck you. I'll call it an emerald if I want. All the way. Ba 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 ba. It's nearby. It's around here. There it is. Yoink. Alright. It's gotta be down here somewhere. I think. Oh, don't fucking tell me. It is. God. The only thing I don't like about this level is the constant backtracking. But still, Knuckles' story is pretty fast. I was told to talk more. And so I deliver. That's why I'm sounding annoying. Shit, which way was it? This way? Yes! You got an STD. Wrong one. Wrong room, sorry. Come here, you fucking cartoon-ass battle. Yeah! Fuck!
Good enough. The last missing piece. All right. Now,
Pieces.
to restore the Master
The last
Emerald.
missing pieces.
Huh?
Oh my god, I'm going back to Africa, aren't I? Please don't. I don't want to go back. I don't wanna. Oh god, it's on fire. I'm not in Africa.
Oh no.
Am I in New York?
Not
Was it New
again.
York? You know what?
What
Fuck
is
you.
the meaning of this?
I am in. I'm in Australia. I'm in Australia. That's why those fucking. There's,
What happened here?
that's why everything's
I
on
couldn't
fire.
Stop them. They came, and my father.
Hey, you're alive. I thought you were gonna get sacrificed.
I had no idea how bad this would turn out. I'm shocked.
Look, it's the emerald.
Yes.
Wait. Is this a dream?
This
It's
now.
more like a nightmare.
Well, yeah, having pissed yellow gloves is not on my to-do list.
I finally found all of the missing emerald pieces, but I still can't figure out that creepy monster.
I swear to God, if Knuckles says some dumb shit again, I'm gonna do a Super Smash Bros. Smasher Pass. Nah, fuck you. Tier list of if they would jaywalk or not. Watch me. You just gargle? What the hell? I actually don't think I've ever seen that cutscene before. I'm gonna be real with you. I don't think I've ever seen it. Again. I hate you! Mario Madness?
Hey, Sonic!
There you are, Knuckles. About time.
I will return.
Eggman, come back.
Come back here, pussy.
I'd better let Sonic handle it from here. He'll do okay.
Yeah.
Now, I must return to Angel Island and
Alright.
the Master Emerald.
Fade to black.
No, it can't be.
What is that?
I
What
can't
form
get
did you
enough
take?
The first time. You can't stop me from restoring the Master Emerald.
You fully can. But chooses not to. Up. Uh-oh. Yeah, get fucked. Wah. Oh, grab it, grab it, grab it, grab it, grab it, grab it, grab it. Whoop. Oh, fuck, it didn't work. Wow! I'm still trying to figure out what form he took. What is that, a faucet? Are you taking the form of a water faucet now? Bro's trying to go back to his roots. But then realize he's not good water. Bro is the shittiest water. Oh yeah, get fisted!
Is that all you got?
In more ways than one? I guess you could say fade to black. Hey look, the Chaos Emerald.
Yeah, you're finished. What's left now is to return the Master Emerald safely to my island.
I guess. I mean, go ahead, brah. I just don't understand why it just gets destroyed like this. Was it in Sonic's stage of Skydeck? Or was it some other bullshit? Because I don't really get it. This music go hard. This is a fucking Indian classic. I already made a reference to something. Emerald complete. Ding, 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 ding.
This should do it. Perfect. All is well now.
Yeah?
The Master Emerald and the island have been restored.
Now, if the Master Emerald shards can form the Master Emerald, can they form other shapes if they're all brought together? Also, is this small island Angel Island? Because I don't think it is. I mean, what do you consider Angel Island? I mean, where did that bridge come from? That bridge was never there before. Like, until the events of Sonic Adventure. And the altar just moves?
I'll probably be on this floating island forever. Guarding the Master Emerald again. I may not know the whole story behind this, but perhaps it's better that way. I'm at peace once more.
I mean, fuck it, we ball. Oh shit, there you go. Now if you're wondering why I'm louder and cursing a lot more, I just wanted to follow the Knuckles dynamic. You heard me. I'll give you a minute to think about that while I'm listening to this baller ass music. Also, I'm getting more comfortable with this. Don't worry. I'll probably stop cursing like next episode. Or when I get to 1,000 subscribers, which probably won't happen, so. Save the flowers from Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this episode. And if you want to, like and subscribe. Anything helps. And this has been Heavy Man Stan, a fat ass eating guy, signing out. have a good day, a good afternoon, and of course, a good night.